Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to transfer data Android to iPhone and iPhone to Android. Guys, if you want to move data from another device to another device, so keep watching this video until the end. Guys, you need to download one application from both devices, send anywhere on iPhone on Android. You can see this one open, and after that, first of all, I want to transfer Android to iPhone. Simply tap on send and your gallery automatically open. Now select file you want to move. Now tap on send here, and this code generated. Now tap on receive on your iPhone and write this code as it is. Here you can see. Now simply tap on receive and your file receiving successfully. Wait for some second. You can see your file receiving. After this ad, you can see. Wait for some second and your file successfully transferred within second. Now guys, I want to transfer iPhone to Android. Simply tap on send and select the file you want to transfer and simply tap on send. Here guys, now this code generated. Wait for some second. Simply tap on receive on Android. Here guys, now that enter this code as it is 0000 and 72 here. Now tap on receive. Wait for some second. After some second, your file receiving successful within second. Guys, this is a best method to transfer data from Android to iPhone and iPhone to Android. Guys, this is a best method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.